Hello, good morning, lovely and nice students of class 3. How are you all, the bacha party? Good, all fit, all fine. Very good. Waiting for annual exam also? Yes. So make sure that each and every students of class 3 take the part in annual exam. Okay, now dear students, you already started chapter number 15, our Earth. Chapter number 15, our Earth, and you have seen the first video which is based on this chapter. You already have seen video number 1 which is based on this chapter. Now this is video number 2. This is video number 2, है ना? So let's begin the study. Are you ready for learning about Earth? Okay. All are ready? Yes. Now open your EVS book. Take out page number 95. Page number 95. है ना? So as usual, before starts the study, I always take the revision or recapitulation. So in the previous lecture, dear students, I made you learn about the Earth, है ना? So this time also let's begin. Let's explore the Earth, our home. See, dear students, where you all are living. Yes, we all are living on Earth. We all are living on Earth, and we all are very lucky actually, because Earth is only planet which have life. Earth have, once again I am repeating, keep this line is in your mind, make it underline is in your mind, that Earth has only life. No any other planet have life. No any other planet have life. Only Earth have life because of sun, because of water, because of gases, because of air, and because of gravity also. So we can say that yes, only Earth is a planet, there is life. Okay. Now the first way, first I will read whatever is written in the book once again from the starting. It has water in large quantities. See, Earth, I already told you that the 70 to 75% land is covered with water in the form of river, lakes, streams and seas and oceans. Near about 70 to 70% land is covered with water in the form of river, pond, lakes, streams, seas and oceans. है ना? There are mountains and soar and high, and they are valleys are in green, rich are growing plants. So apart from the water, some part of the land have mountain, have high hills, have valleys, have desert, have plants, have forest on that valleys and mountains. है ना? That is the reason when the picture was taken from the space to Earth, it's looking like a blue ball. So because of that picture, on the basis of that picture which had been taken by the astronaut from the space, so we can say that yes, Earth is looking like a blue ball, because 70% is land is covered with water, 70 to 75%, and rest of all part is have mountain, valleys, hills and plants. That is why the picture of the earth is looking like blue and green. Whatever blue part you have seen in the picture, you can say that yes, this is water. And whatever part which looks in green, that is the plants, the mountains, the hills, the green, the valleys. Okay. Now, the envelope of air. Now we discuss. And then we discussed about the atmosphere. Then we discussed about the atmosphere. So I already told you that atmosphere means a layer which is surrounded by the earth. Atmosphere means a layer which is surrounded by the earth. By the layer of air is called atmosphere. The earth is, see, this is our earth. This is our earth, and this earth is surrounded by the layer of air. This earth is surrounded by the layer of air. Layer of air, and this layer of air is called atmosphere. This layer of air is called atmosphere. So what is the main work of atmosphere? What is the main function? Main work I can't say. What is the main function of atmosphere? The main function of the atmosphere is that to maintain the temperature on earth. The main work of atmosphere, the main function of atmosphere is that to maintain the temperature on earth. Neither it is very cold or nor very hot. This atmosphere protect our earth and it maintains the temperature. ये जो एटमॉस्फेयर है ना बेटा, ये जो अर्थ के आजू बाजू में जो एक लेयर है एयर की, यही एटमॉस्फेयर कहलाता है. और इस एटमॉस्फेयर का मेन फंक्शन होता है हमारे अर्थ के टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करना. टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करने का मतलब होता है ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होनी चाहिए ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होनी चाहिए. एंड दिस लेयर इज प्रोटेक्ट आवर अर्थ. Now this explanation is Hindi. Those who can't understand nicely, now I will give explanation in English. This surrounding, see, this is earth and earth is surrounded by the layer of air. Earth is surrounded by the layer of air and this layer of air is called atmosphere. And what is the main function of atmosphere? The main function of the atmosphere to maintain the temperature on earth. The main function, once again I am repeating this, keep paying attention over here. The main function of the atmosphere to maintain the temperature on earth in the right amount. In the right amount. This atmosphere is protect our earth. This atmosphere is protect our earth. And this layer has oxygen, has carbon dioxide, has nitrogen. These gases are there in the atmosphere. And this atmosphere protect our earth. And the main function of the atmosphere is to maintain the temperature on the earth. ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होनी चाहिए और ना बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होनी चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एटमॉस्फेयर वर्ड से समझ में आया? नाउ आई एम होपिंग दैट दिस वर्ड इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर टू यू. द मीनिंग ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर इज वेरी क्लियर टू यू because I used both the languages, Hindi and English. Now, and we discussed about the shape of the earth. अर्लियर इट वॉज थॉट दैट द अर्थ वॉज फ्लैट, पुराने समय में ऐसा सोचा गया कि जो अर्थ है वो पूरी फ्लैट होती है. People thought they if they went too far they would fall down from this age. It was the latter proved that the earth is round in shape. It is slightly flat on the poles. Yes, earth is not proper circle. Earth is not in the shape of proper round circle. No, it is little flat over here. The shape of the earth is looking like an orange. The shape of the earth is looking like an orange. है ना? The shape of the earth is looking like an orange. Have you seen the orange? Orange is little flat on both the surface, top side B and bottom side B. Both the sides, both the surface of an orange is quite flat, and this top side and this top side is called North Pole. This top side of the earth is called North Pole, and the bottom side of the earth is called South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. काश आप लोग स्कूल में होते, so I can make you understand this in a good manner, in a better manner. Okay, now so understand the earth, the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is not looking like a full round ball. It is little flat on both the surface. It's little flat on the both the surface. The top pole, the top edge is called the North Pole and bottom wala South Pole hai. Okay. The earth is, now we will discuss about the movement of earth. Now today we will discuss about movement of the earth. Movement of earth, how earth moves. Now we will discuss how earth moves. Let's see first what is written about the movement of earth in book. The earth is always moving. The earth is always moving. We cannot feel this movement because it moves very slowly and smoothly. See, it is written in the book that earth is moving. Earth is moving, but we human beings cannot see and cannot feel this movement because it moves very slowly and very smoothly. The earth shows two types of movements. Earth has shown two types of movements. It spins like a top at the same time and move around the sun too. And these two movements are called rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Okay, now I will explain you. First tell me, have you seen a top? टॉप को हिंदी में वी कैन कॉल इट लट्टू. कभी आपने लट्टू देखा है? उस लट्टू में, उस भौरे में हम लोग पहले ऐसे उसको पकड़ते हैं, उसमें से रस्सी बांधते हैं, फिर उसको हाथ में फंसा कर ऐसे फेंक कर घुमाते हैं ना. वो लट्टू देखा है? यस, आप सब ने उसको अपने बचपन में देखा है, खेला है और एंजॉय भी किया है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट टॉप? टॉप कैन स्पिन. वो एक जो छोटी सी एक्सिस होती है, उसके अंदर जो छोटी सी कील निकली होती है नुकीली, उस कील को समझो एक्सिस है, वो धुरी है, और उसी एक्सिस पे वो घूमती रहती है. लेकिन वो जो टॉप होता है वो बहुत फास्ट घूमता है, पर हमारी जो अर्थ होती है वो बहुत स्लो और बहुत सॉफ्टली मूव करती है. जैसे वो लट्टू घूमता है, भंवरा घूमता है, वैसे ही हमारी अर्थ भी घूमती है। बस अंतर इतना है कि वो जो टॉप है, वो जो लट्टू है, वो बहुत तेजी से घूमता है और जो हमारी अर्थ है वो स्लो और सॉफ्ट वे में घूमती है। ठीक है। नाउ एंड दिस मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ, this movement of the earth is called what? This is called rotation. This is called rotation. And rotation and revolution. Okay, so these are the two movements. These are the two movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation means, I will explain you now what is rotation and what is revolution. Now first we will discuss about the rotation. The earth spins like a top on its axis. When you will see a globe, a picture of a globe, see this you can see in your book. This you can see in your book. This is the picture of your earth. This is the picture of your earth, and here you can see this is axis. What is this beta? This is axis, and on this axis our earth is rotating. On this axis our earth is rotating, and because of rotation we have day and night. Because of that rotation we have day and night. So first whatever is written in the book I will read, then I will explain you. The earth spins like a top on its axis. जो अर्थ होती है वो अपनी एक्सिस पे, अपनी धुरी पर, एक्सिस AXIS, एक्सिस मीन्स उसकी धुरी है ना, उसकी धुरी पर घूमती है। एंड दिस मूवमेंट of the earth is called rotation. So what is the definition of rotation? The earth spins like a top on axis, and this movement is called rotation. Once again I will repeat, the earth spins like a top. The earth spins like a top on its axis, and this movement is called rotation. This movement is called rotation, and the axis is an imaginary line between the North Pole and the South Pole, and there is a imaginary line. This line, imaginary line means this you have to imagine. This green, you can see this green line in the middle of the globe, in the middle of the earth. This green line is called what? This green line is called the North Pole and the South Pole. This imaginary green line is called the North Pole and the South Pole, and it is slightly tilted. This line, see, suppose this is the picture of earth. It is not proper picture, I know, so I will not draw. I will tell you by the book only. In your book there is picture of earth is given over here. So you can see there is a green line which you can imagine, and these green line have two pole, North Pole and South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. It is slightly tilted. Tilted means हल्के से तिरछे हैं, झुके हुए हैं. It is slightly tilted. The earth moves from west to east. What is the movement of earth? Earth always moves. Earth moves from west to east. Earth always moves. It is written in your book that earth always moves from west to east. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Earth complete one rotation. Earth complete one rotation in 24 hours. It means Earth will complete its one rotation between 24 hours. Okay, that is why we complete day and night has 24 hours. That is the reason we can complete the day as well as night in 24 hours. While rotating, the part of the earth has faces the sun. जब पृथ्वी जो है, अर्थ जो है वो घूमती है और जब वो सन के सामने होती है, the faces of sun, so we can say that yes, this is daytime, this is daytime, and when earth is not the faces of sun, so we can say that yes, it is night time, it is night time. See, when this earth, suppose this is earth is in my hand and this is sun, when the face of earth is faces to sun, अगर जो अर्थ है वो सूरज के सामने होगी तो इस वाले भाग में सुबह होगी, एंड व्हेन दिस अर्थ विल रोटेट एंड जो पीछे वाला भाग होगा उसमें रात हो जाएगी. जब जो अर्थ होती है ना बेटा वो सन के फेस की तरफ होती है तो उस जगह दिन होता है और जब उसके पीछे वाले हिस्से में रात होती है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाइल रोटेटिंग द पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ दैट फेसेस द सन हैज डे. The faces sun, day, and the other part has night. See, it is given in your book. Look at here how day and night has been done. When earth faces the sun, so in that part we can say that yes, this part has day and the back side is night. The back side is night, है ना. The earth goes on rotation and day changes into night and night changes into day. Because of that rotation we can say that yes, now day changes into night and night changes into day, and this is how days and night oscillate. This because of these day and nights are happening because of rotation. Because of rotation. Understand? Okay. Once again I will tell you what is rotation. Rotation is the movement of the earth just like a spinning top. Rotation is the movement of the earth just like a spinning top. It rotates around a fixed imaginary line. It rotates on a fixed imaginary line, and that line is called axis. And that line is called axis. And earth takes 24 hours to complete one round. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one round. How many hours it will take? It will take 24 hours to complete a rotation. And within these 24 hours, we experience day and night. Within these 24 hours, we experience day and night. The sun is fixed at a place, beta. यहाँ पर आपको here you have to understand this thing that sun is not moving. Sun is fixed at a place. Earth is moving. Sun is not moving. Sun is fixed at a place. Who is moving? Earth is moving. Who is fixed? Sun is fixed at a place. है ना? Now the sun The sun is fixed at a place, so that part of the planet which faces the sun experience day. Who is moving? Earth is moving. Who is fixed at a place? Sun is fixed at a place. So the part of the earth that faces the sun is that part experience day. है ना? The part of the earth which faces the sun, that part experience the day, and the part of the earth which is not faces the sun, that part has experienced the night. The part of earth which faces the sun, that part has experienced day, and the part of earth which is not faces the sun, it experienced night. It experienced night. And at the same time, other part which is away from the sunlight, it experienced what? It experienced night. The part of earth which faces the sun, see, suppose this is earth. What is this? Earth. And this is its x. It is x of earth. And this is sun. This is sun. Okay. Now, who is rotating around the sun? Earth. कौन घूमता है? This earth. This earth is taking rounds, है ना? अब this part of the earth which face the sun, here is day. Here we can experience the day. And which part of the earth cannot face? This wala part of earth cannot face the sun, so we experience night over here. And who is fixed at a place? Sun always fixed. Sun always fixed at a place. Sun will not move. Who will move? Who will take the round? Earth. Earth is move like spin. लट्टू की तरह घूमती है ये. ठीक है? Understand this much? यहाँ तक तो समझ में आया कि दिन और रात कैसे होते हैं, 24 आवर्स कैसे बनते हैं. 24 आवर्स में आधे दिन आधे रात 12-12 घंटे के होते हैं, है ना. नाउ आई थिंक दिस मच लर्निंग इज enough for you. When we will meet in the next class, we will discuss last paragraph, revolution, because if I will take the rotation and revolution in the same class, in the same video, you will get confused. You will concept will not clear is in your mind. That's why I am not going to take so many concepts in one day. So when we will meet in the next, we will discuss on revolution and save the earth. These two parts we will discuss. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Enjoy learning, waiting for annual exam, and I'm going to wind up my class. Bye bye. God bless you. Keep yourself fit and fine. Do study, do reading, do learning. है ना? So this time you don't have exam of tic tac. No exam on mobile. You will give exam in writing. लिखने में offline exam is there. No online exam is there this time. Keep giving me likes. Bye.